What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer or send money from Revolut to Coinbase. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut account, you will be on your homepage right here. So what you need to do on Revolut side is create a Revolut virtual card, which is free and everyone who has a Revolut account can create it. So once you create your card, you will be able to view it in the card section in the upper right corner. And here you can see the virtual card. So once you have your virtual card, you would just need to go to Coinbase. Once you open up your Coinbase app, you would just need to go to the portfolio section right here. From here, go ahead and tap on deposit option and tap deposit cash. Once you're here, you would need to tap on this default payment option with this one right here, so we can change it. So here you have an option to add a new payment method, so just go ahead and select that. Now here you can add that card, that virtual card from Revolut, and that way transfer money from Revolut to your Coinbase account balance. So once you added your card, you can just tap Pay With and select your card from this menu that you just added. And after selecting the card, you can just input the amount that you would like to transfer. So let's say 20 USDC or 20 euros or dollars, depending on your currency, which you can change right here. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer money from Revolut to your Coinbase account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.